Today I show you how to make a delicious kefir smoothie with fresh strawberries and homemade kefir. This is gonna be epic. Washed strawberries, look at them. You can eat them as they are. They are pretty tasty. Fresh strawberries are delicious. Just take the strawberries, make sure they are nicely cleaned properly. Oops. Oh. That's a lot of strawberries. I might have to do this in 2 batches, or I think it will fit. I will keep them on the side. This is homemade kefir. I made this one actually yesterday. I think I will remove some, keep some for later. Add a bit of the kefir to it. Maybe more. Blend everything. You can add more strawberries. I should have lifted the blender first. Oh no. Okay, I'll squash them a little bit. Oh, almost got it. Okay. I think it's too much. Oh. Looks amazing. What matters is how the smoothie tastes like. This one is much more concentrated with strawberries. I'm sure they're both equally delicious, so let's try this one. The kefir. You see it's making this thing on the edges, but it has the color and the taste. Let's see. It smells like strawberry yogurt. It's so refreshing. It's delicious. Look at it. Okay, let's try normal pour. Okay. And that's the kefir. Strawberry yogurt kefir, strawberry kefir smoothie. It's delicious. You can chew it a little bit. If there are pieces, it's okay. Not a problem to chew. Thanks for watching. Okay. I can add more kefir, but I think I will keep it like this, not too much kefir, just to have that strong strawberry flavor. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's do this. Where is my kefir?